found you through IG. I think I saw your video pop up one day, and I think, oh my God, this guy, you know, like this company sounds looks professional, and I think I need to contact you to get a quotation first. And then the quotation came back to me also. The price is very reasonable. I'm so happy with everything. So then I had my garden done earlier, but I didn't like it. So I think I found the wrong person at first. I wish I have met you earlier so that I didn't have to waste that kind of money, right?
Okay.
So, and then I found him, then I contacted you, your company, and then the quotation came back to me quite fast, like they respond quite fast. Actually, everything was designed by your designer.
Yes.
So he is very professional. So I had him to come to my house, and then he looked at the the size of the place. So he suggested whether I can do it a big pond or a small pond. So this one he actually recommended it. So this is a Zen. So with the natural koi pond. Actually, I love about your company is you have many choices.
Yes.
So I was having a difficulty to choose. I actually take down the picture of the pond, and then I send it to my family. I have vote pond A or pond B. So wow, there's some like pond A, some like pond B. So in the end, majority voted the pond B. So I took this one.
Which is like really nice for us.
Right. I love every single person of your staff. They are very polite, and then they are very they have very good manner. I invite them to come into my house. They say, oh no, we are dirty. Then I invited them to sit on the bench outside. They said no. They rather sit on the floor. Then I was like, oh my God, kesian, so I make coffee for them. They was like so hesitate. I said, don't worry, jangan malu, drink. Then you tell me. So they say, I minta cold water saja because the weather was so cold. It's so hot. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So then they minta the cold water. So I provide cold water. That's it.
Okay.
Then they are so good from head to tail, and then they help me move the big vase, and then they advise me everything. Say I suggest this location than that location. So I do accordingly. Say okay. I trust your professional idea. Okay. 10.
Our services to your family.
Yeah, betul-betul 10. When my husband came back, he said, oh, this guy really fast. They promised to get it done in 2 days, really, here 2 days. And then there 3 days, they really, so total in 5 days, they got everything done. I was like, worried, can it be done or not? But really, they said, can be done by how or what time, 4 o'clock, 4:30. Yeah, they really get it done by that. And then they help me sapu. I said, no, leave it to me. So I have my maid coming, they say, no, it's okay. They help me sapu the place also. I really love it. So I will rate 10 out of 10.